Welcome to Leisha Today. So I have a fun project that I made. This is an interchangeable lantern where you can paint it with some paint and a paintbrush. You can use color acrylic markers, anything that you decide. I have 3 holidays so far, Halloween, Valentine's Day, and Christmas. You can change out the pieces. This is like a tea light lantern. This one here is 2-tiered. And as you can see, it already has the 3 designs that you guys can purchase. I'll leave the link down in the description. So I'm so excited to share this project that I made for you guys. This could be something that you purchase. You don't have to have a laser engraver. I already have all of these files already ready to go for you guys to purchase from my shop, and you guys can get this for your kids if they like to do different painting projects, and they can paint their own lantern to have like as their nightlight, and they'll have these 3 holidays. I do plan on making more of the different holidays as time goes by, but I just wanted to start off with these 3. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this lantern that you can change out the 3 different holidays, then look at the link below. Thank you guys for watching.